Hello, my name is Abby and I work for Ocean Housing. In this video, we will be discussing our rent statements and any issues you may have. Every time that rent statements are sent out, we do notice some reoccurring questions. So we have put together a list of frequently asked questions and answers to help you better understand your rent statement. You can read them in full on our website, but we will also discuss them here.
Your rent statement shows the weekly charges if you're a social tenant and monthly charges if you're a homeowner, and the payments made by you, housing benefit or universal credit. The statement will explain if you have a credit balance or if you owe money, called arrears, to Ocean Housing. You can review your rent payments and balance at any time online via MyOcean or the Ocean Housing app. Rent is the money you pay to Ocean Housing to live in your home. Service charges cover the cost of additional services provided to you, such as grounds maintenance, sewerage or street lighting. Some service charges can be included in a claim for housing benefit or universal credit. Other charges cannot be covered by housing benefit or universal credit, and you will need to pay these yourself. We estimate how much services will cost each year based on previous expenditure and any known factors that may influence what we need to spend.
If you're on a fixed service charge and the actual costs turn out to be higher than the estimate, we will not ask you to pay more. If they are lower, we will not issue a refund. If you're on a variable service charge, then after the final costs are calculated, we will either ask you to make an additional payment or issue a refund depending on whether we have spent more or less than the estimate.
A balance under other non-rent account charges indicates you owe money other than rent. This may include, but is not limited to, court costs or repair charges.
If you have made a payment within the last 3 days, it may not show on your account yet. Please allow time for your payment to credit your account and check back via MyOcean or the Ocean Housing app. If you are entitled to housing benefit and have this paid direct to Ocean Housing, this is paid 4 weeks in arrears. If you're entitled to universal credit and have your housing costs paid direct to Ocean Housing, it is your responsibility to pay any shortfall to Ocean Housing. You can find out if there is a shortfall by checking your Universal Credit journal every month. If Universal Credit is paid directly to you, it is your responsibility to pay your full rent to Ocean Housing. Arrears means that you owe money to Ocean Housing. Your account could be in arrears because you have missed payments, underpaid, or there is a delay with your benefit payment. Your direct debit is reviewed at the end of every financial year and is calculated using the new charges, outstanding arrears and any housing benefit paid direct to Ocean Housing. If you have concerns about your new direct debit amount or you have a change in your benefit award, please contact us so we can review the amount.
Rent should be paid in advance. If you pay weekly, you should be in credit by a minimum of 1 week at all times. All accounts should end the financial year with a minimum of 1 week credit. If your credit balance exceeds this and you have no outstanding other non-rent account charges, please contact us to discuss a refund.
If your change in circumstances will affect your ability to pay rent and you're worried about accruing rent arrears, please contact your customer accounts advisor. If you have had a change in circumstances and claim housing benefit and/or council tax support, please contact Cornwall Council or update your circumstances. Working or child tax credits, please contact HMRC to update your circumstances. Universal credit, job seekers allowance, employment support allowance or any other DWP benefit, please contact the DWP to update your circumstances.
If your rent account is in credit, or if you are paying off arrears in line with an agreement, you will not need to contact us. If your account is in arrears and you're not in a position to clear the amount, then please contact your customer accounts advisor to discuss a payment arrangement. Full housing benefit claimants should contact Cornwall Council Housing Benefit with any queries. You can visit our website for further information. We have also broken down a rent statement with notes to explain these points that we've discussed.
As ever, should you have any further questions regarding your rent statement, please do not hesitate to contact us by emailing help@oceanhousing.com or by calling 01726 874450. Thank you for watching.